In this question it is given that the resultant of P and Q and is perpendicular to P. What is angle between P and Q? So the resultant of P and Q is perpendicular to P. We discussed that in any question, if they are using this word perpendicular, means always just draw a right angle triangle, so it will be very easy for us to find out the answer. So the resultant of P and Q is perpendicular to P. So we'll come to know that resultant is perpendicular to P. So this should be P and this should be R. Then by default this is going to be Q. Now we can give direction. P vector plus Q vector is equal to R vector. Always this P and Q should be in the same order, or the vectors that we are adding should be in the same order, and that resultant vector should be in the opposite order. And in question they're asking to find out what is the angle between P and Q. What is the angle between this P vector and Q vector? So we know that angle between two vectors is angle between them when their tails are connected. So an angle which is shown over here, it is not the angle between P vector and Q vector, because this is basically the head of P vector and this is the tail of Q vector. So we need to extend this vector P vector, or you can imagine that if you are connecting the tail of P vector to the tail of Q vector, so this is going to give the value of angle between P vector and Q vector. So imagine that this angle is equal to theta. Rm is to find out this angle, so we can write this angle is going to be 180 minus theta. Now we can write the value in terms of sine theta or in terms of cos theta, but you can observe that in question it is given in terms of P and Q, so we need to write in terms of this and this. So we can go for cos theta over here. That means if I am going for cos 180 minus theta, we know that cos theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So we can write this as P divided by Q. Now what is cos 180 minus theta? Cos 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So you can write minus cos theta is P divided by Q, or you can write this cos theta is equal to minus P by Q, or you can write the value of theta is equal to cos inverse of minus P divided by Q.